Today I'm going to be reviewing this ChainsHouse personalized necklace. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, it comes with a little gift box just like this. So if you are gifting it to someone, this is ideal because of the gift box. So inside of your box, you will get a little baggie. So this is going to go ahead and be a little baggie. So once you're done using the chain, you can go ahead and place it inside the bag here. Now let's take a look at this Cuban link necklace. So you could see, give you a closer look. All the chain is linked together. Now, I will be giving you a closer look on this necklace, but I just wanted to go ahead and give you an overview of what this looks like. Also, take a look. Has Judy in the middle. The great thing about this necklace is that you are able to customize it, so you could put your name, whoever you're gifting to's name. You could put whatever name you want here in the middle rectangle. And also another feature that is available is that you could select the font that you want. So that was really cool. As I was getting to customize it, I really liked that those options were available to me. So now right here on the bottom, it does have an extender, so you can go ahead and make it longer. And then it has a lobster clasp. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera over and give you a closer look. All right, so here is an overview of that necklace. It does come with a little plastic to make sure that the name does not get damaged during shipping or delivery. But as you could see, even with the plastic, the name is legible. It is clear, and I chose all capital letters, but you're able to customize this. And take a look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the necklace on now so you could take a look and see what the necklace looks like on. So I have the necklace on. Take a look how it sits on the neck. I did hook it on to one of the last little hooks of this. So I just wanted to give you an idea of how long the necklace is, but look at how it sits there. Very nice. The middle part is the part that has the name, whatever you decide to personalize it with, but you could see and distinguish it. It has that little rectangle right here in the middle. The necklace is very nice. I like how solid it is. Actually, the material is very nice. It is not too thin, so it's not like a dainty necklace, but it isn't heavy either. I honestly wasn't sure how the necklace was gonna fit, how it was gonna look. I thought it was gonna be a bit thick or heavy, but honestly, it is not. It is very lightweight. It is nice, but the quality is solid. So if you're looking for a necklace for yourself or for a loved one to give as a gift, then definitely check this out. Like I mentioned, you are able to personalize it. You could select the font. You could select if you would like a gift box or a card. So many options available, and it is affordable, especially for customized jewelry. A lot of times tends to run higher in price, but this one is actually pretty affordable. So I would highly recommend. I do like the quality of it and for an affordable price. So I'll go ahead and leave a link down below so you can take a look at the different styles that they have available. And also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.